Howdy. I haven't seen a video on this, so I'm going to make one. This light running on a C-Max and Fusion, the LEDs that go around in a 4-quadrant tend to fail often. But it's charging 0 to 25%. This one flashes once it gets to 25%, it goes solid. Then this one flashes from 25 to 50%, then goes solid, and so on and so forth. This quadrant, the second quadrant, and the fourth quadrant do not light up on mine, even though the battery fully charges. You might have the same issue. So we're going to replace this. Here's a picture of the part number. Alright, first order of business, if you're doing this on an incline, I went ahead and chalked the wheel back there. And jack up your car, put it on a jack stand, and take your wheel off. Alright, we'll bring you in closer for the rest of this. Okay, the charge port here can be accessed to remove by removing the wheel liner inside here. You're going to see a combination of some 10mm nuts throughout here and some push pins like this. You pull the outside out and then you can pull the whole pin out. So I'm going to pull all this hardware off and get this wheel arch liner out. Okay, the wheel arch liner is out. I think I forgot to mention there's 3 screws up front. I think they're like 7mm. Don't remember. And then 3 in the back. 1 here, and 1 there. And then you can just finagle the thing out. Now we can see this thing right in there. Okay, it looks like it's bolted in here and up here, but don't mess with that. That's not what that is. That's the actual charge connection that is bolted. We just want to get the bezel out, right? That's all we're replacing with these LED lights. So first off, let's squeeze this tab here and pull this connector off. Now, this is going to be tough for me to hold the camera and film, but these black push tabs, you just got to get these pushed in and finagle this thing out. So there's one here, one here, one on the back side, and one up top. Let me work on this and I'll get back with you. Okay, it's pretty much popped out now, as you can see. Yeah, there it is. To get the top one, go right here, pop your hood, go right here where the hinge is at, and push this back in here just a little bit, maybe for you here. And if you look down in there, see me moving it around, you can see the top. Let me zoom in a little bit here. There, that's a little bit better. So you'll be able to get a really long, like standard screwdriver down there and push that top tab. See if I can point at it. That top tab right down in there, and then get it out. Okay, there's the old one on the right. It's still got the body colored door on it. You'll notice that your new one does not come with a new door. You need to swap over the old door onto the new one. Okay, you'll see a tab right here, right in the center. And what we'll end up doing here is putting a small screwdriver to push this tab down on the old one. See if you can look in here. Right there in the center, right there, we will be putting a small screwdriver to depress that tab and slide this door off towards us. Okay, the old door is off. Here it is. I'm going to try to do this in real time for you here. On here, the lighting out here is terrible. Right in the center, right there, that is the tab that holds it on. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. Again, you can see the tab that's spring loaded up here. And grab this guy here, slide it on, boom, it snaps. We're done. Now it's as simple as just lining it back up in here and pushing along gently the LEDs and snapping that back in. Our door looks like it works well. Make sure you plug it back in, double check that all the black tabs are holding it in, and we're done. Reverse here, let's put this shroud back in. Wheel arch liner is back in. Don't forget you got your 10mm nuts going around. I'm missing one over here, but you should have at least 4 of those. You got your push tabs to put back in. You got your screws on the bottom, 3 in the front, 3 in the back, 1 push tab up here. Anyway, that's back in. Let's put the wheel on. Okay, the wheel is back on. Make sure you tighten these lug nuts in a crisscross pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. They're just on there nice and snug. We'll torque these here in a second. I have pumped up the jack a little bit here, remove the jack stand, and we will lower it down just like so. Hey, don't forget to torque these lug nuts down. I don't know what Ford's torque spec is, but 75 foot-pounds should do it. Crisscross pattern. Alright, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. It's free to you, helps us out. See you next time.